Imagine waking up to the serene beauty of rolling Tuscan hills, sipping on world-class wine in a lavish suite, and dining on exquisite Italian cuisine prepared by top chefs. Welcome back, luxury travelers. Today, we're setting off on a mesmerizing journey through the Italian countryside. We'll explore the top 5 most exclusive hotels in Tuscany. Let's dive right in. Number 5. The St. Regis, Florence. Imagine a place where the timeless elegance of Renaissance architecture meets the unparalleled luxury of modern hospitality. Welcome to the St. Regis, Florence, a hotel that embodies the spirit of Florence's illustrious history while offering contemporary amenities and world-class service. Perfectly situated on the banks of the Arno River, this grand hotel is a 10-minute walk from the vibrant heart of Florence, placing you at the center of the city's rich cultural tapestry. From the moment you step into the lobby, you are transported into a world of refined opulence. The beautifully restored interiors feature classic Florentine architecture, intricate frescoes, and glittering crystal chandeliers, creating an ambiance that is both majestic and inviting. The hotel's presidential suite is the epitome of luxury and elegance. Spanning 200 square meters, this magnificent suite is located in the sumptuous front of the prestigious Renaissance Palace, offering stunning views of the Arno River and Florence's legendary art treasures. Decorated in the prestigious Medici style, the suite is adorned with refined furniture and antique artworks, creating a unique blend of historical grandeur and modern comfort. The spacious master bedroom features a king-sized bed, ensuring a restful and luxurious night's sleep. The living area, with its 2 comfortable sofas and glass-topped coffee tables, invites guests to relax and take in the breathtaking views of Tuscany's timeless attractions, including the iconic Ponte Vecchio. One of the highlights of staying in the presidential suite is the bespoke personalized service provided by your personal butler. This exceptional service ensures that every detail of your stay is attended to with the utmost care. Dining at the St. Regis, Florence is a culinary journey that reflects the rich traditions and vibrant flavors of Tuscany. The Winter Garden restaurant, located within the hotel, is renowned for its exquisite contemporary Tuscan cuisine and impeccable service. Under the guidance of executive chef Genshin Shehi, the Winter Garden restaurant offers a menu that is constantly evolving while remaining rooted in local traditions. Chef Shehi, who has collaborated closely with the famous 2 Michelin star chef Valeria Piccini, brings a unique and distinctive culinary identity to the restaurant. We highly recommend trying the signature chicken consommé, a dish that embodies the essence of Tuscan and Mediterranean flavors. This delicate and flavorful consommé, paired with a glass of Vermentino, is a testament to the restaurant's commitment to culinary excellence. Florence, often referred to as the cradle of the Renaissance, is a city rich in history, art, and culture. The historical center of Florence, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1982, is home to some of the most famous monuments and buildings in the world. One of the must-visit sites is the Santa Maria del Fiore, commonly known as the Duomo. This domed cathedral, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, took over 100 years to finish and was completed in 1436. Its exterior, adorned with polychrome marble panels in green, pink, and white, and its elaborate 19th century Gothic Revival facade make it one of the largest and most stunning basilicas in Italy. Number 4. Borgo Santo Pietro. Just a stone's throw from the medieval village of Ciustino, Borgo Santo Pietro weaves the luxurious threads of a 5-star boutique hotel into the rustic fabric of Tuscan countryside life. This 800-year-old luxury farmhouse hotel, once a rest stop for weary medieval pilgrims, today offers sanctuary not just to those seeking respite from the modern world, but to anyone yearning for a taste of life in a pastoral paradise. As you enter the gates of Borgo Santo Pietro, you're enveloped by the warmth and charm of what feels like an opulent home. Leather armchairs circle open fires, fresh flower arrangements color every room, and a brick wine cellar houses boutique labels that promise an evening of relaxation and fine dining. Each of the hotel's 22 rooms exudes unique character, meticulously designed with antique pieces and bespoke beds, adorned with hand-executed frescoes that whisper stories of yore. The Santo Pietro Grand Suite, located in the villa's south wing, is the crown jewel of the estate. With its sweeping views over the vineyards and fields, this suite boasts a majestic living area with cathedral ceilings and a secluded mezzanine dedicated to holistic therapies. Whether it's lounging by a grand open fireplace or soaking in a freestanding bath that overlooks the terrace, guests in this suite are treated to a level of luxury that makes the ordinary feel extraordinary. The estate itself is a living testament to the philosophy of nurture via nature. Across its 300 acres of organically cultivated land, Borgo Santo Pietro hosts market gardens, nut fields, and herb gardens, all contributing to the tapestry of this vibrant farm. Here, a team of farmers, gardeners, and chefs collaborate to produce a symphony of flavors that grace your plate at the Michelin-starred restaurants on site. Dining at Borgo Santo Pietro is an experience anchored in the ethos of farm-to-plate cuisine. At Trattoria sull'Albero, meals are prepared with ingredients just picked from the surrounding fields. Situated around a majestic oak tree, this trattoria evokes the whimsy of an elegant treehouse, offering views over the lush Valle Serena. Here, the menus are a celebration of Tuscan tradition, with dishes crafted freshly picked vegetables and artisanal cheeses made from the milk of the estate's own sheep. Beyond gourmet dining and luxurious stays, Borgo Santo Pietro offers a myriad of activities to immerse guests in Tuscan culture. From making fresh pasta with a local Italian mamas to embarking on a hot air balloon adventure, each experience is curated to offer a genuine slice of la dolce vita. Number 3. Hotel Il Pellicano. Perched on the rugged coastline of Monte Argentario, this hotel offers breathtaking views of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Steeped in romance and glamour, this iconic hotel was conceived in the 1960s by a charismatic American socialite and a British aviator who wanted a secluded escape for their star-studded circle of friends. Over the years, Il Pellicano has become synonymous with understated luxury, attracting Hollywood royalty and Europe's high society. Today, this pristine hideaway has retained its chic charm while offering a contemporary twist. The interiors blend timeless elegance with a hint of 1960s retro style, creating a space that is both sophisticated and inviting. The crown jewel of Il Pellicano is the Pellicano Suite. The suite features 2 elegant bedrooms, each with a king-size bed, and 3 lavish bathrooms decorated in marble and fine Italian craftsmanship. You'll have a spacious living area for relaxing or entertaining guests, and an exclusive walk-in wardrobe. The real highlight is the expansive private garden, perfect for sipping a glass of Tuscan wine as you watch the sun sink below the horizon. Styled with 60s-inspired decor, the suite exudes a retro chic vibe that complements the seaside setting. At Hotel Il Pellicano, dining is an art form, and the property's Michelin-starred restaurant, Il Pellicano Restaurant, elevates traditional Italian cuisine to new heights. Helmed by executive chef Michelino Gioia, the menu focuses on seasonal ingredients, local produce, and reimagined Tuscan classics. The signature dish you simply must try is the spaghetti Il Pellicano, a sophisticated spin on a classic spaghetti dish with perfectly balanced flavors. Pair your meal with a selection from the extensive wine list featuring Tuscan wines and other renowned Italian varieties. Surrounded by the vibrant nature of the Maremma region, Hotel Il Pellicano offers numerous activities to fill your days with adventure and relaxation. Soak up the sun at the hotel's beach club, indulge in water sports like water skiing, paddleboarding, or snorkeling off the hotel's private pier, or jump on a speedboat trip around the Argentario coast to discover hidden coves like the Grotta Azzurra. Beyond the sea, the medieval towns of Porto Ercole and Porto Santo Stefano are just a short drive away, home to bustling nightlife, fine dining, and historical sites like the final resting place of the renowned painter Caravaggio. Number 2. Tenuta di Artimino. Welcome to Tenuta di Artimino, a sprawling 732-hectare estate located just 20 kilometers from Florence in the heart of Tuscany. Originally an Etruscan settlement that later became a medieval village, this UNESCO World Heritage Site truly transports guests to another era. At the heart of the estate sits Villa La Ferdinanda, also known as the Villa of the 100 Chimneys. Built in 1596 for Ferdinando I de' Medici, this magnificent villa stands as a testament to the region's rich history. Today, Tenuta di Artimino embraces modern luxury while preserving the authenticity of its past, offering guests the chance to explore the Tuscan countryside, taste exquisite wines produced on site, and immerse themselves in the spirit of the Renaissance era. Tenuta di Artimino provides guests with various lodging options across its extensive estate. However, the ultimate luxury experience can be found at the Borgo 2-bedrooms Ferdinando Suite, located within the medieval village of Artimino. This sprawling suite offers 2 elegantly appointed bedrooms and a separate living area. The suite's private terrace overlooks rolling vineyards and olive groves, offering breathtaking panoramic views that extend as far as the eye can see. Decorated with refined Tuscan furnishings, the space exudes an atmosphere of old-world charm, while offering all the modern conveniences needed for a comfortable stay. Sleeping up to 4 guests, it's perfect for families or groups of friends seeking an authentic yet luxurious Tuscan escape. The gastronomic experience at Tenuta di Artimino is centered around the Biagio Piñata. The restaurant is named after the first butler of Ferdinando I de' Medici and is located a short distance from Villa La Ferdinanda. Serving traditional Tuscan cuisine with a modern twist, the restaurant sources much of its produce from local suppliers, placing emphasis on authenticity and quality. The signature dish to try here is the duck with orange, an homage to the Medici era's culinary influences. For more authentic dining, the local Ristorante da Delfina offers a warm and inviting atmosphere to indulge in Tuscan cold cuts, cheeses, handmade pasta, and local wines, all set against the backdrop of the breathtaking vineyards. Tenuta di Artimino offers endless possibilities for exploration and entertainment, both on and off the estate. Wine connoisseurs will appreciate guided tours of the estate's own vineyards and cellars, where award-winning wines like the Carmignano DOC are produced. Sample local olive oil at tastings, or try your hand at a Tuscan cooking class. Just a short drive away, Florence invites you to delve into Renaissance art and architecture, while quaint Tuscan towns like Prato and Pistoia are within easy reach for day trips. For those seeking a gastronomic adventure, consider a visit to the famous restaurant La Loggia at Villa San Michele in Fiesole for dinner with a view, where you can savor inventive Tuscan cuisine while overlooking the glittering lights of Florence. Number 1. Il Salviatino Firenze. At the top of our list stands Il Salviatino Firenze, a masterfully restored 15th century villa nestled in the Florentine hills of Fiesole. Overlooking the city's iconic skyline and the majestic Duomo, this 12-acre private estate provides an ideal escape for those seeking a tranquil retreat without missing out on Florence's vibrant cultural scene. The villa's classic Renaissance design is enriched by contemporary touches, creating a seamless blend of ancient and modern aesthetics. Each corner of Il Salviatino brims with history, from the library that once hosted literary salons, frequented by Salvador Dalí and Gabriele D'Annunzio, to its hand-stitched linens and local artisanal decor. This 5-star hotel offers 39 individually styled rooms and suites, each adorned with carefully selected artworks, homemade Tuscan linens, and state-of-the-art amenities. Il Salviatino Firenze stands not only as a luxury hotel, but as an immersive cultural experience, where guests can enjoy Italian hospitality amid timeless architecture and breathtaking panoramic views. The most lavish accommodation at Il Salviatino Firenze is the Oggetti Suite. Stretching across the villa's original tower, this suite offers unparalleled views of the Florence skyline and the surrounding hills. Inside, you'll find a spacious bedroom furnished with fine Italian linens, an elegant living room for relaxing or private dining, and a marble bathroom complete with a romantic dual-head rainforest shower and luxurious bathtub. The pièce de résistance is the suite's private rooftop jacuzzi, where you can soak under the Tuscan sun or stars, all while admiring the Duomo's silhouette on the horizon. Every detail in the suite has been thoughtfully curated to ensure guests experience maximum comfort and luxury wrapped in Renaissance charm. Dining at Il Salviatino Firenze is an unforgettable experience, thanks to the partnership with Milanese restaurant Giacomo, which oversees the hotel's signature dining space, Da Giacomo al Salviatino. Set on the hotel's outdoor terrace, offering spellbinding views of Florence and its iconic monuments, the restaurant serves authentic Italian cuisine with a focus on simple, high-quality ingredients. The menu highlights Italian classics and Tuscan specialties with a refined twist. One signature dish that stands out is the tagliolini al tartufo, homemade tagliolini pasta served with freshly shaved Tuscan truffles. For those preferring to soak up the Tuscan sun, the hotel's manicured gardens invite leisurely strolls amid scented lemon groves, while the outdoor heated swimming pool offers relaxation with a view. The hotel's spa, built to reflect Tuscan traditions and seasonal cycles, provides tailored treatments using natural products to rejuvenate both body and mind. More adventurous guests can embark on a picturesque biking tour of nearby hills, go on a hot air balloon ride taking off from the private park, or enjoy a run through the scenic routes of Fiesole. And there you have it, our countdown of Tuscany's top 5 most exclusive hotels. Have you visited any of these hotels? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this luxurious journey and that it has inspired your next unforgettable vacation. Remember, in the world of luxury travel, the sky's the limit. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more incredible luxury travel experiences. See you in the next one.